Today we are going to make pudding out of these biscuits. These are Parle G biscuits. You can find it in Superstore in the world food section. These are just like cookies. These are cookies, and we'll make a pudding out of it. We'll be using cocoa powder, any cocoa powder you can use, sugar, instant coffee, cream, and all these ingredients, and we'll make pudding in this dish. So there are about 4 packs of these biscuits. We'll see how many we end up using, maybe 2 or 3. Cocoa, these are 2 tablespoons of cocoa, 5 tablespoons of sugar. We're gonna mix this in the cream. So this is 1 liter of cream. I think we'll end up using about half a liter of cream in this pudding. And then we have about 2.5 tablespoons of instant coffee. This is the instant coffee. And we'll be putting some water to dip these cookies into the water and then placing it in the dish. And I'll show you all the things step by step. The thing is to mix the sugar and cocoa in cream. We cannot churn the cream too much, then it turns into a butter. So we want to keep the cream flowing. So we'll put small amount of cream in this, try to dissolve this, maybe warm it up in microwave a little bit, dissolve it separately, and then add the rest of the cream to mix this sugar and cocoa in the cream. So let's add some cream into this. We'll try to put this into microwave to warm it a little bit so that mixing becomes easier. I've added 1.5 cup of water in coffee, that instant coffee, and I've mixed it. This water is ready. We'll be dipping these biscuits. I mixed the cocoa and sugar in the cream. First I heated it up in microwave so that sugar can dissolve, and then I have added in rest of the cream. Now I'll mix it. Don't churn it too hard because then it will turn into butter. This is a mixture of cream, cocoa and sugar. What I'm going to do is the first base layer, I'm going to spread it in this tray, and then we'll place the wet biscuits in it. Now these biscuits, we're going to make it wet in this coffee. Make it wet in the coffee and place it in the tray. And that's how we'll keep placing them. Dipping it in the coffee and placing it like this. We'll keep placing them. The first layer of biscuits is spread. Now we are going to add some more cocoa cream on top of this before we start with the second layer. This is how we spread the second layer of cocoa cream, and now we'll start placing biscuits again. Dip, and we start like this, the second layer. So second layer is about to complete. Few more biscuits to go, and then second layer will be complete. Poured the cream on top. Now I'm just putting some walnuts. Just sprinkle some walnuts on the top.